Hello dear students. So today we are going to start science chapter number 4, matter and solubility. So open your textbook page number 191. Chapter number 4, matter and solubility. Let's see. So there are different types of things around us. So student, all of you know, around us there are having different types of things. Okay. For example, notebook, book, mobile, TV, cupboard, fridge, then playground. These all are different things that around us. These things differ in their properties as they are made up of different substances or materials. So students, these things are different in their properties. Some things are hard, some things are soft, some things are heavy, some things are light, some things having different color, some things they don't have different color, and these different these different things are made up from different materials. For example, pencil. So pencil is made up of wood material. Your chair is made up of plastics also and wood material also, correct? So means in our surrounding they are having different types of things, and these different types of things they have different properties, and these things are made up of different materials. The following are a few examples of substance of different kinds. So let's see some example of different things and from which materials they are made up of. A stone sinks in water. See, this is a stone. Stone is a heavy. So it's a heavy. So stone is sinks in a water. मतलब स्टोन जब आप पानी में डालते हो तो वो कहा जाता है पानी के नीचे जाता है. Why? Because stone is a heavy thing, correct? So and wood floats because it's light. When जब आप पानी में wood डालते हो तो वो ऊपर आता है, वो पानी के नीचे नहीं जाता. Why? Because wood is a light material and so that wood floats on the water. Second, fruits and flowers are colorful. Correct? Fruits and flowers are colorful, but air and water are colorless. So student, fruit और flowers को color होता है, so they are colorful, but air and water they having color? No, they are colorless. Most rocks are hard to touch, but petals of most flowers are soft. So student, rock is a hard stone. Rock means stone that are hard. When you touch to the rock, you feel rock is a hard. But when you touch to the flowers, you feel flowers petals are very soft. Means some things are hard and some things are soft. Sand is a rough, whereas talcum powder is smooth. जब आप बीच पे जाते हो तो सैंड कैसे लगती है? रफ. और जब talcum powder आप फेस पे लगाते हैं तो वो कैसे लगती है? स्मूथ. Perfumes and flowers have odor means smell, whereas water is odorless. So जब आप लोग flowers देखते हो या perfumes लगाते हो तो उनको smell होता है. They having very sweet smell. But water having smell? No, water is odorless. Sugar and salt have taste, but water is tasteless. Sugar जब और salt को taste होती है. Sugar is sweet, salt is salty. So they having taste. But water don't have any taste. So water is tasteless. Metals can be bent and cannot be broken easily. For example, copper and aluminium, whereas glass and porcelain are brittle. So metals. So हम घर पे metals के things use करते हैं. Metals के pot, metals के filter use करते हैं. So they can be bent. They can be bent and cannot be broken easily. वो easily broken नहीं होते, correct? So for example, copper का metal easily broke नहीं होता है. So whereas glass and porcelain are brittle. लेकिन glass के जो things होते हैं वो easily broke होते हैं. So metals such as gold look shiny and bright, whereas wood looks dull. तो हम मेटल्स के और मेटल्स मीन्स गोल्ड, जब हम गोल्ड और सिल्वर के ऑर्नामेंट्स पहनते हैं, इयररिंग्स या बैंगल्स पहनते हैं तो वो कैसे होते हैं? शाइनी एंड ब्राइट होते हैं. वेयरएज वुड लुक्स डल, लेकिन वुड्स के थिंग्स कैसे होते हैं? डल होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, दीज डिफरेंट different types of things that around us, they have different properties, like heavy. Some things are heavy, some are light. Some things are colorful, some things are colorless. Some things are hard, some things are soft. Some things are rough, some things are smooth. Some things they have an order, some things they are orderless. Some things are having taste and some things they are tasteless. Correct? So these different things, they have different properties, and these different things are made up of different materials. Correct? Different materials. So student, so these things are called matter. So these things are called matter. means जो things आपके सामने है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? matter. So and these things have different properties. See, for example, stone is a thing. The stone is called matter. So what is the property of stone? Stone is a heavy. So heavy is a property of stone. Correct? So stone is a thing. It is called matter. मतलब साइंस में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैटर. So in next, so turn your page, students. So student, the things are called matter. Okay, things are called matter. So these matter have different states and matter have different properties. So let's see. Any substance or material that has a weight and occupies a space is called matter. So any substance or a material that has a weight and occupies a space is called matter. मतलब कोई भी जो थिंग है और मटेरियल है उसको वेट होता है और वो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाइज करती है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैटर. मतलब कोई भी थिंग्स को वेट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेयर. सो चेयर को वेट होता है और चेयर, जब हम चेयर एक जगह पे रखते हैं तो चेयर वो जगह लेती है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड मैटर. मैटर मीन्स थिंग्स. मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन 3 different forms. So things are in or matter are in 3 different forms: solid, liquid and gases. So we find this matter in 3 different forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. These 3 forms of matter known as states of matter. So these 3 forms of matter are called states of matter, differ from one another in their properties. So let's see about solids. So solids, substance that have a definite shape and size are called solid. So जो things or materials or a substance, they have a definite shape and size are called solid. For example, your notebook and your table. So these notebook or your textbook have definite shape. Some have definite shape and size. So it is called solid. For example, pencil, eraser, sharpener. These materials are called solid materials because they have a definite shape and size. Solids can be moved from one place to another. So we can keep this book from one place to other place because it is a solid. Solids cannot flow. वो flow नहीं होते. For example, pencil, paper, book and table. So these pencil, paper, book and table, these things or these substances, they have a definite shape, they have a definite size. Okay, and we can move or we can take these substances from one place to another. So these are called solid. Have you got my point, students? Yes. So solid, for what is the example of solids? Pencil, paper, book and table. These things are called solids. So next is a liquid. So substances that do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume are called liquid. So substance that do not have a definite, एक particular shape होता है जो definite shape but have a definite volume are called liquid. Liquid take the shape of the container they are in. Liquid can flow. See, when you pour a liquid, जब आप glass में liquid liquid means what? For example, water, milk, juice and tea. These are the example of liquid. Water, milk, juice and tea. These are the example of liquid. जब आप ग्लास में वाटर डालते हो तो वाटर क्या करता है? ग्लास का शेप लेता है. जब आप वाटर बॉटल में डालते हो तो वाटर क्या करता है? बॉटल का शेप लेता है. So liquid take the shape of the container they are in. जब आप जूस है वो छोटे से बाउल में डालते हो तो वो क्या करती है, वो जूस क्या करता है, बाउल का शेप लेता है. जब टी आप कप में डालते हो तो वो टी कप का शेप लेती है. सो दिस लिक्विड्स टेक द शेप ऑफ कंटेनर दे आर इन. जब जिसमें आप डालते हो उसका वो शेप लेते हैं, लिक्विड उसका शेप लेते हैं. लिक्विड कैन फ्लो. और जब आप फ्लोर पे लिक्विड डालोगे तो वो फ्लोर पे गिरता है. लेकिन पेंसिल डालती है तो पेंसिल ऐसे फ्लो होता है, नीचे नीचे आता है नहीं. सो लिक्विड कैन फ्लो, वो बह जाता है. वाटर क्या होता है, ग्लास में से गिर के बह जाता है. ओके. सो सब्सटेंसेस दैट डू नॉट हैव अ डेफिनाइट शेप, और उनको शेप नहीं होता है. पेंसिल को एक प्रॉपरली शेप होता है ऐसा वाला. ओके. बट वाटर को शेप होता है नहीं. वाटर डोंट हैव अ शेप. So substances that do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume are called liquid. So liquid don't have a definite shape. Liquid take the shape of the container they are in. So what are the example of liquid? Water, milk, juice and tea. These are the examples of liquids. So next is the gases. Substances that do not have a definite shape and a definite volume are called gases. Gases are invisible. सो जो सब्सटेंसेस है उनको डेफिनाइट पर्टिकुलर शेप नहीं होता है और उनको पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम भी नहीं होता है, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं, गैसेस. गैसेस आर इनविजिबल. इनविजिबल मीन्स वी कैन नॉट सी द गैस. वी कैन सी द सॉलिड. वी कैन सी पेंसिल, पेपर, बुक एंड टेबल. वी कैन सी लिक्विड्स. वी कैन सी वाटर, मिल्क, जूस एंड टी. बट वी कैन नॉट सी गैसेस. सो गैसेस आर इनविजिबल. A gas spreads out and fills the whole space inside a container. Gases are all around. They occupy space and move freely. For example, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So student, gases are spread out and fills the whole space inside a container. Correct? Gases जब हम बलून्स में हवा भरते हैं, मतलब एयर भरते हैं, तो वो क्या करती है, वो उस बलून का शेप लेते हैं. करेक्ट. गैसेस आर ऑल अराउंड. से हमारे पूरे अराउंड में, सराउंड में क्या है, गैसेस है. एंड दे आर ऑक्यूपाइंग स्पेस एंड मूव फ्रीली. व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ गैसेस? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन. दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ गैसेस. सो अगेन सी व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल. सी अगेन सी what is been my matter? Any substance or a material that has a weight and occupies a space is called matter. And what are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. These are the three states of matter. So first state of matter is solid. So what are the example of solids? Pencil, paper, book, table, fridge, washing machine, your bed, your ball, bat. These are the examples of solid. Then next states of matter is a liquid. What are the examples of liquid? Water, milk, juice and tea. Okay. Then next states of matter is gases. What are the example of gases? Carbon dioxide and oxygen. These are the example of gases. Okay. So student, look at here. Choose the correct answer. Substances that have a definite shape and size are called solids. Substances that do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume are called liquids. Substances that do not have a definite shape and a definite volume are called gases. So students, solve this in your textbook, complete your homework, and our next point, that is properties of matter, that we will see in our next video. So student, read the topic again and complete your homework. Thank you students.